Precious metals such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium may diversify your portfolio and serve as a hedge against inflation and market volatility, whether you currently have a substantial portfolio or are just getting started in investing. Precious metals bullion and coins can also be useful in times of civil upheaval and political instability, so if you're concerned about requiring emergency cash, you might want to consider investing in precious metals. Even if you don't expect a societal collapse, precious metals can help you diversify your investments. Precious metals, unlike cash and stocks, have intrinsic value. Silver is an excellent pick for a beginning or even seasoned precious metals investor because it can be used as a currency and has a wide range of industrial applications, and it's a lot less expensive than gold. Add some stability to your portfolio with assets that keep their value over time, such as precious metals. Let's see what precious metals may achieve for your investment portfolio. Simply put, counterparty risk is the possibility that the other party in a trade, investment, or credit transaction would fail to meet their obligations. When you invest in stocks and bonds, you run the risk that the other party in the transaction, the company or entity issuing the stocks or bonds, will fall on challenging times and fail to honor their obligations. Even when investing in precious metal exchange-traded funds ETFs, you're taking a chance that the entity supporting the funds will pay as promised. When you buy genuine, tangible precious metals, on the other hand, you're buying something with intrinsic value that exists outside of the stock market and monetary system. Investing in equities, including mining company stocks, or funds, including precious metal ETFs, does not grant you the right to receive physical gold or silver or palladium, or platinum if you so desire. However, if you buy a 100-ounce silver bar, you will receive exactly the amount of silver you paid for, with no additional parties to create a counterparty risk. You can keep the silver in a safe or vault at home, or you can deposit it at a depository. In any case, you can get physical gold if you need it, and while the value of precious metals fluctuates, they will always have some value. The intrinsic worth of precious metals such as gold, silver, palladium, and platinum does not fluctuate with the market. You won't have to worry about the worth of your precious metals if the stock market fails and your portfolio loses value. On the contrary, during times of market instability, the spot price of precious metals, particularly gold, often rises as consumers feel safer placing their money in gold. By using precious metals in your portfolio, you can reduce your losses and possibly even break even. Precious metals' intrinsic worth, such as gold, silver, palladium, and platinum, is unaffected by market fluctuations. You won't have to be concerned about the worth of your precious metals if the stock market crashes, and your portfolio loses value. On the contrary, during times of market instability, the spot price of precious metals, particularly gold, often rises because individuals believe it is safer to invest in gold. By using precious metals in your portfolio, you can limit your losses and even break even. Gold, silver, and other precious metals can be used as inflation hedges. Inflation can easily eat into your profits on other types of investments. For example, if your investment yields 6 but inflation is 3, you're not getting nearly as much back. However, because precious metals are intrinsically valuable, they increase in value when the dollar declines in value. You'll be able to recoup all your costs. Markets can be incredibly unpredictable, and no one can accurately forecast what they'll do based on prior trends. That is why diversifying your portfolio is so crucial. The more diverse your investment portfolio, the less sensitive you are to market fluctuations. Diversification, on the other hand, does not necessarily imply investing in companies that operate in a variety of industries. It's also not about having the most distinct investments. It's all about making each investment fulfill a distinct purpose. You could invest in a small-cap SP 500 index fund and a large-cap SP 500 index fund. Both municipal and corporate bonds might be purchased. Adding an asset with inherent worth, such as gold or silver, makes sense. Precious metals can help protect your portfolio against inflation, market volatility, counterparty risk, and other risks. Metals such as gold, silver, palladium, and platinum will always be valuable, both as industrial materials and as jewelry and currency. Invest in precious metals to give your future self something to be thankful for.